Welcome to our channel, viewers. Hope you guys are having a great day. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can register for Wells Fargo online banking account. And Wells Fargo is an American bank, alright? So just keep that in mind. So if you guys are new to our channel, Tech and Cryptos, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and let's move on with the video. So the first step is search for Wells Fargo login and click on the first option over here. After you do that, it's gonna bring you to the official website of Wells Fargo. Over here, you can see the Enroll Now button, so just click on it. Once you do that, it's gonna take you to this website. Over here, it's asking you to enter your social security number, so enter that number over here, and then enter your date of birth over here like this, and then click on continue. Doing that, it's gonna take you to another step where it's gonna ask you for some more information, and after providing all the information, an account under that information will be created. So hope you guys were able to understand on how you guys can register for Wells Fargo. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.